My name's Phil Hoskins, Managing Director of Evolution Energy Minerals. We're ASX-listed graphite developer. Recently acquired the development-ready Chilalo Graphite Project in Tanzania. Yeah, a single asset company, the Chilalo Graphite Project in Tanzania. It's a DFS level project with mining license and environmental approvals, and what really sets it apart is the flake size distribution. So a very coarse flake product, which in turn drives higher prices and higher margins. We've recently signed a key offtake agreement with the global leader for producing expandable graphite and graphite foil, and working towards a final investment decision towards the end of the year, and also some diversified downstream strategies to go downstream, both from the coarse fraction and from the fines into batteries as well. So pretty exciting time. I guess the key thing for this year is to work towards FID of our Chilalo project, and the key milestones are binding offtake agreements, one of which we've signed. Our fines offtake agreement is coming in the next month or so. A framework agreement with the Tanzanian government is critical to, I guess, getting the fiscal stability required to be able to make an investment decision, and we're expecting that towards the end of June or early July. We're updating our DFS in the third quarter. Our DFS is 2 years old, and so in the inflationary environment that we've been in, it's important to get updated capital cost estimates, so that'll be towards the end of Q3, all aimed at reaching FID in the fourth quarter of this year. We've brought a guy called Michael Bourguignon in as an exec director, and he's sort of handling all things technical with the project. And Michael's the only guy outside of China that's actually built a graphite project. He was involved in the development of Syrah Resources' Balama Graphite Project in Mozambique, and he arrived there at the commencement of construction and saw it all the way through to commissioning. And I guess he inherited the design there, but obviously there's a lot of learnings that he was able to take from that process and apply towards our company moving forward. So I think that I guess development side and the risk sometimes of juniors proceeding towards construction and operations, I think, is underscored by his presence. We've got a chief financial officer and company secretary who have both got a lot of experience in emerging economies and particularly in Tanzania. And we've got some excellent graphite market advisors as well. 25-year graphite market expert based out of Texas, and a Chinese graphite expert as well. And that's something we've always prioritised, is a real understanding of the graphite market and the applications. And I myself have spent almost 250 days in China across 30 plus trips. I guess meeting end users, understanding applications and how best to develop our project in that sphere. Yeah, I think whilst the company's 6 months old, we've been going at this for 8 years. It's an advanced project. We're really in execution mode this year, and all the material announcements that have brought about material price rises in other graphite companies around offtakes, the framework agreement, updated DFS, and some of the downstream work into battery anodes. They're all the things that we're really in execution mode at the moment. So it really is an exciting time, and we fully expect to be able to take this project into production when hopefully you're making that FID in Q4. Yeah, it's been great. We're sort of halfway through the first day. Had some really good meetings. So yeah, we were at 121 in Cape Town as well. So it's a different crowd here. Some good institutional investors, and got a pretty full dance card. So yeah, it's been great.